Alrighty, and next I want to show you guys how to log into our Schoology classroom. So what you're going to do is go to our school district page. You're going to scroll down to where it says Learners. If you click on that, it'll bring up all of our quick links, and you will scroll down to where you see the button for Schoology. You're going to click that. It will bring you to your courses page. You're then going to want to scroll down and click on our class right there, and then it will bring you to our classroom. In our classroom, you'll be able to access all of our weekly folders. As you can see here, the information is organized by week and then by day, and then the materials are available. You can also access our news station at the top of the Schoology page. And on even number days, we are going to complete silent reading, where you can access your silent reading log by week and then complete logging your silent reading in that Google Doc. Up and coming information is listed on the right hand side of the page along with reminders. And then on the left hand side of the page, you can find your grades to check any relevant information as far as missing assignments, incomplete work, and what your current class grade is for each semester and for the course as a whole. Alrighty guys, that is all of that information. I'll talk to you again in a little bit.